Introducing the new drop front piano box from JobBox. The drop front piano box features a reinforced door for easy loading and unloading of heavy equipment. It's available in 60-inch and 74-inch length models. The efficient tapered ramp design makes it easy to roll heavy objects in and out for loading and storage. The drop front panel is made with lockable inside latches to prevent access to tools and equipment. When closed, the lip overlaps the double-thick side walls, dramatically improving security and weather resistance. The door opens 90 degrees, allowing full access to tools and equipment. Inside is JobBox's patented lift and stow shelf that moves out of the way for storing bulky equipment. The drop front piano box joins the family of on-site storage solutions featuring the revolutionary designs of SiteVault security system. Indicates when the box is unlocked, making it easy to check at night and from a distance. Easy Loader skid bolsters. Provides access from all four sides, making it safer and easier to load and unload heavy chests from your work truck. New powder coat paint. 10 times better corrosion resistance, 5 times better abrasion resistance, and 2 times better chip resistance. JobBox. Premium storage solutions.